the Apple iPhone 15 series is anticipated to have bigger batteries and a new USB-C port, which might result in quicker charging and extended battery life for the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro. The introduction of new battery tech, which will increase the battery capacity of iPhone 15 models, will be one of the largest jumps in the iPhone 15 series. According to a tip, Cider will be introducing layered battery manufacturing technology similar to that seen in electric cars in the iPhone 15 series, which will assist to extend battery life. The iPhone 15-based model will reportedly see the biggest battery increase, of 18%. It will now have a battery capacity of 3,877 mAh, compared to the iPhone 15 Plus's 4,912 mAh, which represents a 14% jump. The iPhone 15 Pro will see a 14% battery increase. It has a battery capacity of 3,650 mAh, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to see a 12% increase in battery life, with a battery capacity of 4,852 mAh. If the battery size increase rumor is true, we may anticipate at least a corresponding improvement in the battery life of the devices. A more effective Apple A17 chipset and a newer generation of OLED displays would likely supplement the simple battery size increase improvements. Although this is a significant battery jump, what may the device's weight and dimensions be? It is fairly clear that we will see a thicker device, which in my view may make the device a bit heavier due to stack-up battery tech. The second significant change will be the debut of USB-C. A new USB-C port with power supply capabilities is expected to replace the aging Lightning port in all phones as of 2023, according to reputable experts. Additionally, this new USB-C will boost data transfer speeds up to 40 GB per second, which I consider to be a significant improvement as it takes forever to transfer files using the Lightning port or via AirDrop. With the introduction of the USB-C port on the iPhone 15 series, Apple will have all the necessary foundation in place for faster charging. The 20-watt charging speed of the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max will be officially increased by Apple to the faster 27-watt or 29-watt charging peak. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.